Okay, welcome America, welcome India, and welcome Selena Gomez to the live recording in Studio 202. Today we are going to review the exterior angle theorem. Is everybody ready? Ow! Okay, so before we get to problems 5 and 6 on the review that we're doing, how about you turn your bodies, everyone just, yeah, and then you love it. Love it. Okay, so the exterior angle theorem says, before we do problems 5 and 6, just kind of threw this up here and just made some numbers up. We know the sum of all the interior angles in any triangle has to add up to 180. So I just picked some numbers and made it kind of, this is an obtuse angle, so looks to me like it's about 120, and then 40, and then 20. All three of those add up to 180. Are you with me? Okay. Because this angle, this obtuse angle is 120, and this is a straight line, this exterior angle has to be 60 degrees. Are you with me? Is everybody okay with this being 60 because that's 120? Okay, so look at this relationship. This exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two angles on the other side of the triangle, because these two have to add up to 180, and all three of these also have to add up to 180. So those two together equal this exterior angle. It's real nice with numbers and simple, but sometimes, like in problem 6, we don't get numbers, we have variables. So we have to know this relationship. So let's go to number 5 and see if we can, what do we know for number 5? We've got this exterior angle here that's 146. What does that make this interior angle in this triangle? Did you guys start there?
It equals 34.
Okay, 34, I'm with you, 34 degrees, because straight line, those two angles are a linear pair and they're supplementary. So 146 plus 34 adds up to 180. Yes? You guys okay with the 34? Okay, now what else do we know? The triangle sum theorem says? Jack. Okay, so we know this missing angle, which we'll just call x, and this is what we did in the first 4 problems, plus this 64, plus this 34, they all have to add up to 180 degrees. Solve for x, and what do you get? I just did this problem. Is it 82? Is that right? Someone tell me.
Yes.
Okay, because 82 plus 34 plus 64 all adds up to 180. And then we can see that 64 plus 82 is equal to the 146. Okay, that's with numbers. Now, if you get a problem on like number 6, though, number 6, we can't solve for this missing angle here, this interior angle, because we don't know the value or what's the measure of this angle. I mean, they tell us it's 14x minus 5. Yes, we could say this angle is 180 minus 14x minus 5, but then that's a lot of algebra. Because when you do 180 and you subtract the quantity 14x minus 5, you're going to have to distribute this negative. It's going to be a lot of work. You can do that, or you can just set, where am I going? What am I doing? This exterior angle equal to the sum of those two. So it's 14x minus 5 equals, yep, I heard you. And then solve for x. And I just did that, and I got x is 5. Who won? We had a bet going. So that's all for now.